Cash App allows you to send, receive, and manage money digitally without needing the physical cash card. This video will show you how to use Cash App cardlessly for payments and withdrawals. As of November 2025, Cash App has over 60 million active users and prioritizes digital-first experiences. 70% of transactions are cardless. We will cover the three main ways to use Cash App without a physical card: peer-to-peer payments via Cash App Pay, direct bank transfers, and investing in stocks or Bitcoin. The first way to use Cash App cardlessly is through Cash App Pay for peer-to-peer payments. Link your bank account or debit card for funding, then pay by scanning a QR code or sending money using the recipient's phone number or email address. Transfers happen instantly or within minutes, making it perfect for splitting bills or gifting. Cash App stands out among mobile payment services for its ease of use and security features, as shown in this comparison table. The second way is direct bank transfers. Add a bank account to withdraw or deposit funds directly, avoiding ATM fees and supporting recurring payments like payroll. Verification uses micro deposits, and transfers now process in under 1 to 2 minutes via instant ACH. The third way is investing in stocks or Bitcoin. Allocate cash into fractional stock shares or Bitcoin purchases. The app integrates stock trading and includes a crypto wallet. Withdrawals can be converted back to cash or transferred to banks, with features like fractional shares and an NFT marketplace.